planting peanuts. So when it's the word that you need to spell, I will wave. Okay, let's see how we go. Years ago, the most important crop in the South was threatened. There were vast fields of cotton lost to the boll weevil. This insect left its mark as it ate through entire crops. George Washington Carver, a scientist, knew hundreds of uses for peanuts. He told farmers to grow peanuts, but they didn't buy his idea. So he invited them for a fine day of music and lunch. Later, telling them that everything they ate was made from peanuts. Many quickly changed their minds, grew peanuts, and grew prosperous. Which state do you think planted so many peanuts that it's leading in the production of peanuts today? You can plant your own peanuts outside in warm climates or inside by a window that gets heat from the sun. Use this technique. Crack the shells of a few raw peanuts, not roasted. Cover the peanuts with dirt and water them. Stalks grow from each flower into the soil, producing the peanut pods. After they're grown, you can dig up the pods, roast them, and serve peanuts to your friends. Okay, so that is the end of this test. Thank you very much. Go and grow some peanuts.